Forex Tester's one-click trading tool improves the way you interact with the Forex market. This effective feature allows you to place multiple trades with a single click, streamlining the process and eliminating unnecessary steps. Whether you're executing market orders, stop or limit orders, this tool ensures rapid, hassle-free trading. Furthermore, the tool supports intuitive modification of stop-loss and take-profit levels, adding an extra layer of control and flexibility. The one-click trading tool is designed with a clean, user-friendly interface that seamlessly integrates with the Forex Tester platform. This feature is important for traders looking to optimize their trading process, respond quickly to market changes, and take control of their trading decisions for several assets at a time. Take your trading to the next level with Forex Tester's one-click trading tool. Try Forex Tester now.